Aliens are contacting Earth, and they are standing right on our doorstep. Is this mysterious signal from Proxima Centauri a genuine greeting or something else? How should we, as a species, interact with extraterrestrial life? Today, we're diving deep into a mystery that could change everything. For over a century, the question of whether we are alone in this vast void has been the ultimate human dilemma. Ordinary people and the world's brightest minds have debated it for years, yet a definitive answer remains elusive. Some argue that in a universe this massive, life must exist. From a purely probabilistic standpoint, the cosmos should be teeming with intelligence. Some statisticians predict there are at least 20 civilizations out there, capable of talking back. Others remain skeptical. To this day, we have no smoking gun, no undeniable evidence. Every historical claim of alien contact has, so far, crumbled under scrutiny, proven to be a farce. But then there's the 2019 signal from Proxima Centauri. And this one feels different. We intercept cosmic noise every day. So, why did this specific radio signal cause such a global sensation? Usually, natural celestial signals are chaotic. They don't hold a fixed frequency for long. They flicker, they fade, they fluctuate. Scientists use these messy patterns to filter out the noise and find their true targets. But the Proxima Centauri signal defied the norm. It was distinctly artificial. It possessed two chilling characteristics: a fixed frequency and a long, steady duration. Even more startling, it sits right in the frequency range used by our own satellites and spacecraft. It's the same language our own technology speaks. And the signal stayed focused within a very specific, calculated range. Given our own patterns of activity on Earth, this discovery is unsettling. This reminds me of the most famous mystery in history, the 1977 WOW signal, lasting 72 seconds at 1,420 megahertz. It originated near the Sagittarius X cluster, a ghost from the deep. Due to the Earth's rotation, we need a stereo view from 2 points to lock in a location. Unfortunately, only one detector caught it. We have an approximate location, but no certainty. And we've never heard it again. Since that day, that patch of sky has remained hauntingly silent. 1,420 megahertz is the universal contact frequency. It's a quiet channel, free from cosmic noise. Scientists bet that if anyone is trying to find us, they'd use this exact frequency. In 1974, we reached out first. We beamed a signal at 1,420 megahertz toward the M13 cluster 25,000 light years away. We used the legendary Arecibo Observatory, the largest single-dish telescope of its time. But at the end of 2020, that titan collapsed. An era of exploration coming to a violent end. Yet, our message is still traveling at the speed of light, waiting to be captured by someone else. So, how does this new Proxima Centauri signal compare to the WOO mystery? The difference is profound. Think of WOW as a direct phone call to Earth, this new signal. It feels more like an operational leak, an alien mistake, a failure in secrecy that we just happened to intercept. But intercepting a whisper from the stars is never easy. We caught it because our technology has evolved, and because Proxima Centauri is remarkably close. Just how close is it? Take a guess. It sits a mere 4.222 light years from our sun. That's about 4.3 light years from where you're standing. In the scale of a boundless universe, that's practically our own backyard. That proximity is exactly why it was named Proxima. But it's a dim red dwarf. You can't see it with the naked eye. It hides in the darkness. And at our current speeds, it remains a distant, unattainable frontier. Voyager 1, our farthest scout, is hauling at 44,000 kilometers per hour. At 12 billion kilometers out, it's not even a fraction of the way to Proxima Centauri. Proxima has only 1/8 the mass of our sun and 1/7 the diameter. It's old 4.85 billion years older than the sun itself, and it orbits in just 11 days. Because its fusion is slow and unstable, its lifespan could exceed hundreds of billions of years. It has two known planets, Proxima Centauri b and Proxima Centauri a rocky world, and a gas giant. The rocky planet sits right in the habitable zone, a terrestrial twin to Earth. It receives enough heat for liquid water to exist, the fundamental spark for life. Water is everything. It's why scientists are so obsessed with this world. A planetary system this close, with the basic requirements for life. It makes us wonder who else might be looking back. But we have to be realistic. Our current data suggests the odds of intelligent life on Proxima b are incredibly slim. Because its sun is a dim red dwarf, the habitable zone is dangerously close to the star. That proximity provides the warmth for water. But it creates two fatal weaknesses. The first, Proxima b is tidally locked. Just like our moon, one side always faces its master. One side is trapped in eternal radiation-blasted day. The other, an endless icy night. It's a brutal environment for any complex intelligence to evolve. The second disaster, the stellar flares. We've observed massive material ejections from Proxima Centauri. Lethal, charged particles are constantly hammering the planet's surface. In that furnace, even simple life would struggle to survive the radiation. The water might have been stripped away eons ago. Conventional wisdom says Proxima Centauri is a dead system. But we have to ask, do aliens follow our rules? What if they thrive on radiation instead of running from it? If they feed on that energy, Proxima Centauri isn't a hellscape, it's an oasis. They wouldn't need water or oxygen, they just need the star. Think bigger. What if Proxima is an alien forward base? They might have machines harvesting that radiation right now. And that signal we just received, maybe it was a greeting, or maybe it was a warning. Humanity's hunt for cosmic life has been a long, lonely journey. Pioneer 10 launched in 72. Our first scout to Jupiter and beyond. It left the solar system in 83, heading into the great unknown. It carries a gold plaque map showing aliens exactly where we live. Then there's Voyager 1, our silent messenger in the outer dark. It carries the golden record, a stylus, a legacy of human soul. Greetings in 55 languages. Music, the sound of our world. 115 images of our anatomy, our planets, and our reach. We've been shouting into the void for decades, hoping someone hears us. In the three-body problem, the Trisolarans live right where Proxima is. In that story, contact with them nearly destroyed our entire civilization. Maybe the fiction is a warning. We must treat this signal with extreme caution. Stephen Hawking warned us, do not actively seek them out. We have no way of knowing if they are benevolent or predators. The cost of a mistake is our total extinction. If they are capable of interstellar travel, we are helpless. Against that kind of technology, we are nothing more than cattle. We could be slaughtered at their will. The question is the truth worth the risk? The signal is still out there, and someone might be listening. Are you ready for what comes next?